What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. It's around 11 p.m. right now, and the city is pretty alive still. There's a decent amount of cars on the road, decent amount of people walking around, but hey, the city is still somewhat empty already, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a nice night ride today, boys. This is not a crosswalk, guys. What are you guys doing? Excuse me. Guys, if you haven't seen my previous video and you're wondering what happened to my black CBR600RR, why do I have a red one right now, definitely go check that video out because it's a pretty crazy story. And if you have seen my previous video, you're gonna know that I've mentioned that I want to go on a night ride today. So this is the same day of when I recorded my last week's video, and also this is my second time of recording in a night. I ended up using the Pure Video feature, and I also ended up enabling like a nighttime filter, and it just made the footage look super yellowy, grainy, not sharp. It just looked terrible, so unfortunately I couldn't use it. So right now I'm just trying it out with the Pure Video mode on, and I have no filters enabled, and I hope that the footage will turn out great, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be very, very pissed, because one of the main reasons why I bought the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is because it does have this Pure Video feature where I can record at night and have good looking footage, which was not possible with the GoPro Hero 10. I pretty much don't have any plans. I don't know where I want to go, what I want to do, but all I know is that it's 11:15 p.m. on a Friday. I got nothing to do tomorrow pretty much, so I want to stay out pretty long. It's getting a little colder during the night now, but it's nothing too crazy. I have a jacket over a hoodie, and I'm feeling pretty warm, so yeah, like I said, it's not that terrible, boys. Anyways, at the Honda dealership, they told me I can use the quick shifter here and there, but they recommend not doing it too much until the braking service is ready. And what I did with the black one is I pretty much didn't use the quick shifter at all till around like 500 kilometers or so. And then I just used the auto blipper here and there, very rarely, and the quick shifter as well. And then once it was serviced, that's where I actually used it way more often. Only 1,000 kilometers. I'm pretty sure everyone can wait that long, and then your quick shifter will be unlocked, and it's not that big of a deal. Well, actually the quick shifter is unlocked, and some people say that it's okay to use it. However, over here at the dealership where I bought it, they kind of recommended just waiting, so I'm gonna wait. It's not that big of a deal. I still can cross over 9,000 RPM, so I'm not really gonna be racing anyone either way, so there's no need for me to really use the quick shifter right now. So yeah, for right now it's just chill rides during the day or the night until I get it serviced, and then we're back on demon time, boys. I might have to open my chin vent, if that's what you call it. It's like the vent that you have like right in front of your mouth on your helmet. I might need to open that in a bit, because since it's a little bit colder now, the visor is starting to fog up and I can't see shit, and I gotta keep like lifting it up. So yeah, that's not really It's not too annoying, but it's not too great either. The night rides are really dope for many reasons, guys. Honestly, it's just a great vibe. You're just chilling, you can go wherever you want, whenever you want, and you know, the roads are never going to be this empty during the day. Another great reason why night rides are so fun is because you might find people that are as crazy as you know, bikers that are going on night rides, or car guys that are in their modified cars or supercars. Finding a car guy or another biker at night and just racing or riding fast together, having a good time is always amazing. While this might happen to you during the day as well, there will be way more traffic, so the chances of you racing are going to be way less. Also, if you guys have seen my previous video, you guys saw that I added a few videos of the bike, how it looks from the night ride that failed. And right now I'm actually thinking about hitting up the same gas station I do have enough gas, but you know, I'm just gonna fill up, grab a little drink. Alright, don't forget to reset the trip counter because we don't have a gas gauge, and we're ready to go, boys. Oh, I can't wait to have this bike fully unlocked, man. I wanted to remove my rear foot pegs. I already have the seat cowl, so there's no need for me to have foot pegs. I ended up going to the EvoTech Performance website, and I ended up ordering the foot peg eliminator kit. I even paid for DHL express shipping because there was kind of a deal on that, so it didn't cost too much, and hopefully I should get the package sooner, so I can remove the foot peg sooner and have a cleaner look sooner. So yeah, I'm pumped up for that, boys. We are not going through the tunnels today. We are gonna go back towards downtown again, have a little bit more fun there. I'm probably not gonna go record a second video tonight because I didn't sleep much in the last 2 days, and it would be nice to maybe get some sleep finally. So, you know, maybe in about like 30 minutes to an hour, I'm probably gonna start heading home. So I get home by, I don't know, 1:30 a.m. and then I'll sleep in a bit because tomorrow's the weekend. The day before yesterday, I actually went to bed later than 4 a.m. dude. It was like 4:30 a.m. and I had to be up by 6:30 a.m. So I got around 2 hours of sleep. And when I was finally going to bed, I was honestly just thinking if it's really worth it to even go to bed, because I'm gonna go to bed for 2 hours and then I'm gonna wake up insanely exhausted. And yeah, so I thought about just pulling an all-nighter, but I didn't end up doing it. I got my 2 hours of sleep and then I powered through it, had about like 2 Red Bulls. What are they doing here? Holy crap, that's a big hole. Oh, I think they're building something like underground under the frickin' road here. Oh, it seems like they made a part of a new road here. Looks pretty solid. This road used to be super freaking bumpy, guys. As you can see now, they kind of haven't fixed it up here yet. This is not the worst part, but you can see how big of a difference that is. There's just a crazy amount of bumps, holes, and just everything. So I'm glad that they fixed at least half of the road. I just have to watch out over here. Holy fuck! Whoo! Thank you, traction control. I think traction control saved me, boys. Maybe it was also part of me just closing the throttle right away and just being super slow. I don't know if you guys could have seen that on the video, but the rear tire slipped quite a bit, and it freaked me out. I knew there was going to be gravel there, so I did end up going slower. By the way, guys, when I was stopped at the gas station, I did look at the footage real quick, and looking at it from my camera, it seemed like the footage could be alright, and it seemed like it looks pretty good. So I'm pretty hyped up, man. I hope it is going to turn out great, because I always wanted to do night rides. It's a great vibe, like I said already. And yeah, I hope it's gonna turn out great. I know I'm repeating myself over and over again, but I really wish that this bike was after its break-in service already, because I could be having so much more fun right now during the night. I could go on like a pretty crazy ride, but unfortunately I can't do that yet. But I'm sure I'll put enough miles on the bike before it's gonna get really cold, so I'm pretty sure I could put in a few more night rides. Alright boys, I think I'm going to slowly start heading home. I have about like 30-40 minutes to get home, so I should be home by like 1 a.m. I'll quickly check out the video because I'm obviously hyped to see what it looks like. Bro, I was in the right lane. You're not supposed to go in my lane if I'm there. I hope the video turns out great this time, and I hope I recorded enough. If you guys did enjoy this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notifications, and I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace!